Tithi ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, say something about your mother.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Good evening to all of you. How are you all? Hope you are all fit and fine. And thank you very much for giving me such a great opportunity to say something about my mother. It's an honor for me to introduce my mother in front of you. My mother name is Mary Das, and she is a housewife. She is almost 48 years old, and currently she lives in Rangamati, but her hometown is Boalkhali, Chittagong, and she's a very honest, kind-hearted, and hardworking woman. Every day she wakes up at 6 o'clock. After that, she do all our household work. She always neat and clean our home, and she always takes care of me and my family. And her favorite food is rice and fish curry. She loves it very much, and her hobby is gardening. Every afternoon, she goes to the garden and takes care of her plant. She also a flower garden lover, and her garden she plants different kinds of flower. And when she has any free time, she watches television. When I have any free time, I talk to my mother because she is my best friend, and I share everything with my mother. Without my mother, actually, I can't think in my life because I am really dependent to my mother, and that's all about my mother. Thank you for listening me. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you. Onik sir and Monirujjaman sir.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Sir, did you listen how they give presentation? Like Afia ma'am, then Nusrat Jahan ma'am, Orminta ma'am, Tithi ma'am, they gave presentation about their mother. তারা কি তাদের মার সম্পর্কে প্রেজেন্টেশন দিয়েছে? Did you listen it? আপনি কি সেটা শুনেছেন?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So can you share with us about your mother?
Yes, ma'am.
Then sir, say something.
Yes. My mother, Devyani. My mother is the best mother in the world. I love my mother very much. She is very loving and caring and so kind. She always take care me and our family. She works hard every day. I am very lucky and I'm so proud of my mother. I love her more than anything. That's all. My mother.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Ma'am, can I share my mother's about my mother?
Yeah, you can share, ma'am.
Good time to all of you. Thank you for giving me such a great opportunity to say something about my mother. My mother name is Rahana Begum. She is 30 years old, and she was a student of Nandai Pilot School, and she completed her BA honors from Gurudayal Govs College, and now she is a homemaker, and she takes care about us. She sacrificed her life for us, and she loves to eat tea. I love my mother very much. She is the best mother ever. Thank you very much for listening.
Thank you, ma'am.